Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. Here's a little project for you. So, I've been looking for a rack or a, it's like a towel holder, like I don't know. That's the best thing I can call it, is a towel holder, but something to hold my automotive detail bottle stuff, detailer, wash, wax, polish, all that stuff right there. That's just a big unorganized mess right there. And there's some more of them right there. So on Amazon, there was this guy that had a pretty nice looking one, actually too nice, nicer than what I needed. But I asked him to send me a couple for samples, and I'd do a video for him, but he wasn't interested. So, and they were about $20 a piece. So I decided, heck, I can invent something. So here's what I did. These are electrical boxes, like for lights. If you want to put lights that go that way, that way, that way, it would be a cover that would mount a little shaft and then a light on the end of it. So these are electrical. This is a plumbing 90 that's threaded here on the bottom. It's threaded, and it's made for piping on this end. So there's your 90. This is the PVC pipe, and this is the other end. So altogether, all this stuff is like $10, and I can make it. Here's the nice part. I can make it to the exact length that I want. So what I'm going to do is put like probably 3 of them up there, there, and there, and I'll get rid of all those old invoices that are just messy. And then I'll get some spray paint, and I'll spray this the same color as this, so it'll look nice. And I'll give you a picture of it when it's finished, okay? So I got a little balancing act going on here, just so I could lay it out. So I'm going to go like the full width of my cabinet, and I marked it where I got to cut it. And this is so fast and so easy. 1, 2, I'll put at least 3 of these, I guess, or at least 2 up at the top. I've got this little outlet that's kind of in the way, and you have to give yourself enough space for the length of, the longest bottle. But let's cut it and screw it in. So we're going to have like 18.5 inches. And as I said, this way you get to customize the size of it. You don't have to settle for whatever somebody else decided to build. So that's where we ended up. I haven't painted it yet. So I just wanted to get this video up for you guys and gals. Anybody can shoot a can of spray paint onto this stuff, so that's not really a critical part of the how to do it video, do it yourself video. I think I'm going to keep this is like my general cleaner Purple Power 50/50, and that's like outside paint detail, and some interior. Now I might make another shelf for the interior here, and then that'll get it off my bench, because it's real close to my bench. So what difference does it make if it's right there or if it's up there? I think that'll work. And then over here I'll put another one for wheel stuff, because the wheel stuff is it's stronger, and usually when I've got the car wheels off, it's over here. It's not over near the bench. So anyway, so there'll be 1 or 2 racks for wheel stuff, and that'll get it off of there, and it'll make it look a little nicer, I think. I mean, that's pretty much the same idea, but it's a little hard to reach there. I'm almost 6 feet, but I still got to stretch up there and get it, and it'll be a little more convenient right there. And then I'm going to put some shelves in, because I've got these cool new Milwaukee power tools. I'm going to do a separate video on that, but I want to be able to line them up on some shelves, put the charger up there and all. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the little bell if you want notifications when I put up a new video. And be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. P.S. Shout out to Taylor who sold me these cool tools. Hi, Taylor. How you doing?